Welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an incredible machine that's going to change the way you work, the Corsair AI Workstation 300. This powerhouse of a desktop is specifically designed to help you tackle the most demanding tasks in AI development, engineering, and creative projects. First off, let me tell you about the AI-optimized compact workstation itself. It's this tiny powerhouse that packs a big punch. At just 4.4 L, it's compact enough to fit on your desk or even under your monitor, but don't let its size fool you, it's built for serious performance. The AI-optimized compact workstation is designed specifically for local LLMs, large language models, creative workloads, and AI development, so whether you're building a chatbot, generating music, or just want to try out some cutting-edge machine learning techniques, this workstation has got your back. Now, let's talk about the brainpower behind this incredible machine, the AMD Ryzen AI Max 300 series processors. These processors are the real deal, folks. They're powered by the latest AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, which means you get up to 96 GB of variable graphics memory, and a whopping 40 compute units of RDNA 3.5 graphics technology. That's no joke. With this level of performance, you can handle even the most demanding AI tasks with ease. And it gets better. These processors also feature cutting-edge XDNA 2 NPU, neural processing unit, architecture, which delivers up to 50 TOPS, tera operations per second, of AI acceleration. That's like being able to process a massive dataset in just seconds. But what does all this mean for you? Simply put, it means that with the Corsair AI Workstation 300, you can get more done faster and more efficiently than ever before. Whether you're working on a complex machine learning project or just want to try out some new creative techniques, these processors have got your back. Now, let's talk about memory. The Corsair AI Workstation 300 features unified LPDDR5X memory, which is essentially a fancy way of saying it has super fast and flexible memory that can handle multiple tasks at once. This means you can run multiple LLMs or creative projects simultaneously without any lag or slowdown. It's like having an entire team of super smart virtual assistants working for you. With this level of performance, you'll be able to focus on the creative work, not on waiting for your machine to catch up. Of course, no powerful machine is complete without some serious security features. The Corsair AI Workstation 300 has got those covered too, with layers of built-in security technology that will keep your data safe from sophisticated attacks. That's like having a personal bodyguard watching over your digital life. Now, I know what you're thinking, how does it all come together? Well, the answer is simple, it all comes together with Corsair's own AI software suite. This suite of tools is designed to help you get the most out of your machine and future-proof your workflow. With features like AI-powered performance monitoring, advanced task management, and even real-time analytics, this software makes it easy for you to stay on top of your work and optimize your performance. In short, the Corsair AI Workstation 300 is an incredible machine that's specifically designed to help you tackle the most demanding tasks in AI development, engineering, and creative projects. With its powerful processors, flexible memory, and advanced security features, it's like having a super smart team of virtual assistants working for you, all from the comfort of your own desk. If you're ready to take your work to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Corsair AI Workstation 300. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.